So what we've decided to do with Connor, now that Viper production has sundown, is to turn it into an internal meeting space, as well as a place to house all of our historic and conceptual vehicles that were scattered around Metro Detroit in various locations, as well as to provide some secure storage for over 400 concepts, historical vehicles, and secure PDO properties or product design office properties here in one central location.
I was the plant manager responsible for the build out of the Viper, and as we were preparing for the Viper build out, we started looking around at what was in the building and realized there was a lot of memorabilia that had been collected over the 23 years that we built Vipers and Prowlers here. Instead of having people all trying to claim things because there's passionate owners and there were people who had worked at the plant and on the car for 2 decades, we said the best way to do this was to make it a benefit to the community and the Viper owners and the Viper community. So it was agreed that we would put this out on the auction site for the United Way, similar to we did items from the design office. So what we've been able to do is accumulate almost 1,800 pieces that are a combination of items that are going to go as one-ofs at a starting bid, buy it nows for where we've got multiple items like t-shirts and other items that were just still leftovers from the store, and then items that were unique to the plant. And we're going to make these available in 2 ways on the site. There's going to be ones that are specific for employees and ones that are open to the general public. It's really something that I'm proud of being able to turn the plant over to have a legacy of the plant live on, and also to have the legacy of the car go to the people that are really passionate about it. To me, that was one of the significant things. Instead of having all these items either squirreled away in a warehouse or being, argued about who was going to get what. So this way, it goes to a great cause and it goes to people that are truly passionate about the car.